I love the Bible when it's the time of revelation. Ndakunda Bibiliya iyo ageze mu mwanya w'amahishurirwa. In the desert, it wasn't a place to die. It was the place where Israel could experience God in another dimension. Mu bugaragwa ni hari ahantu bategerezwa gupfira. Mu bugaragwa niho Abisirayeli bari bagiye ku experimenta Imana mu buryo budasanzwe. Many people think that when they are in the desert is God who abandoned them. No, it's God who need to show you who he is. Abantu benshi bari mu bugaragwa bibaza ko ari Imana ibataye, ahubwo mu bugaragwa ni Imana bigomba kukwereka iciri n'icishoboye. In the desert they drink water from the rock. Mu bugaragwa banyoye amazi yo mu gitandara. And if you need to experience the water from the rock, you have firstly to be in the desert. Ugomba ku experimenta amazi ava mu gitandara, utegerezwa kuba uri mu bugaragwa. Because if you drink water and you are around seas, you'll think that it's normal. Kuko unyoye amazi yo mu gitandara kandi ukikujwe n'ibiyaga uzokwibaza ko ari normal. And the rock is Christ. Gitandara ni Kristo. So when you are in the desert, is your time to experience God in another dimension. What to do when you are in the desert? Iyo uri mu bugaragwa ni gihe cyo experimenta Imana mu rundi rugezo. Mbega wokora iki uri mu bwo bugaragwa? Firstly, you have to trust in the Lord who is with you there. Icambiro utegerezwa kwizera Imana iri kumwe nawe muri ico kibanza. Joshua was a man of faith. Joshua believed in God. Joshua yari umuntu wo kwizera. Joshua yari umuntu w'Imana. In the desert, once again, they ate manna. Because when you are in the market, even if they can give you manna, you can say, it's normal. Mu bugaragwa niho bariye manna. Kubera ko uri mu isoko bakaguha manna, wovuga ngo n'ubundi izindi fungurwa zirahari. In the desert, you experience your God. Your proper experience with your God. Experience proper yawe n'Imana. And you know, when God send you there, it's just for a purpose. Urabizi, iyo Imana ikurungitseyo aba ariho impamvu. In the desert is not a place where you will stay forever. Muri desert si kibanza uzoguma imyaka yose. In the desert is the place you are just there for a while. Glory to Jesus. I pray, may the Lord give you knowledge to know how to be in the desert place. Imana igubwenge n'ubumenyi kugira ngo umenye ukuntu ukwiye kubaho muri ubwo bugaragwa. Family, Jesus is God. But you can also change the desert into a city. Urashobora guhindura ubugaragwa city.